Here we go, theoretical cards, 3-box break of Panini Crown Royal. And for those watching this and you haven't busted your own box, I encourage you to go to your stores or CloutsnChara or in the US, even DA, absolutely online, to get some Crown Royal. This stuff is mind-blowingly good. We start off with pretty All the King's Men Prime Jersey and Auto, number 12 of 25, Charlie Simmer. He's number 11. Charlie Simmer. What's with the Simmer? All right. We got an Eric Gustafson, rookie, and a Joe Vitale autograph, rookie. Nice. We have a Lord of the NHL, Martin St. Louis. And All the King's Men jersey, Alexander Ovechkin. Well, you didn't say Habs, you said Nuge. But I think you'll take this box happily. Lords of the NHL jersey, Steven Stamkos. And red parallel of Pavel Datsyuk. All right. Charlie is the new Lanny. Yeah, Lanny's kind of calmed down lately. Lanny has calmed down. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. We have Ice Kings, Taylor Hall. And an Ice Kings autograph, numbered 42 of 99, 3 off, Cody Hodgson. Ice Kings hard signed autograph, numbered 42 of 99. Yep, that is pretty awesome. Sorry it's not a Hab, but I tried. Speaking of the Habs, we got a rookie, Rafael Diaz. And a Mythology jersey, Ed Belfour. Wow. This is, yet again, a good box. Heirs to the Throne, jersey and auto, number 81 of 100. Damn it, I got it reversed. James Neal. James Neal. And you asked for it, and I deliver. That is how I do it. Alexander Burmistrov, red parallel. And Heirs to the Throne jersey card, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. The Nuge! There we go. Rocking it out, buddy. Rocking it out. And this is going to be my best work yet for you, sir. What is that, buddy? EQ. EQ's in the house. All right. Boom. We start off with an Ice Kings of Alexander Ovechkin. And a Cody Almond scratching the surface autograph. Boom. We have a Drew Bagnall rookie and David Savard rookie auto. Feels like a monster. Oh, pretty. He wanted Habs. Numbered 1 of 10. Mythology patch. 3 colors for the Royale Canadiens. Patrick Waugh. Beautiful 3 colors. Mythology patch. 1 of 10. Patrick Waugh. I told you. I said my best work is coming up. And then I must get a Sagan, red parallel, and finish it off with the greatest player of all time, Joel Colborne, All the King's Men. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. More coming up.